To keep you updated on the capital and financial markets, here is a recap of what happened.
Japan's financial regulator is urging the country's listed companies to spend more of their cash piles on long-term business investment instead of rewarding shareholders with buybacks and higher dividends. In addition to cash, executives should consider utilizing cross-shareholdings and real estate property for growth, Tatsufumi Shibata, a senior official at the Financial Services Agency, said in an interview. Japanese companies tend to prioritize payouts to shareholders regardless of where they stand in the growth curve, he said. I don't think investors demand that from companies that are in a rapid growth phase, he said in an interview. Taiwan overtook India in stock market value, powered mainly by a breakneck rally in the world's largest chipmaker, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company. The island's market capitalization climbed to $4.95 trillion, according to data compiled by Bloomberg. India's value has dropped to $4.92 trillion. Taiwan's stock market is now the fifth largest in the world, behind only the US, mainland China, Japan, and Hong Kong. The Sri Lankan unit trust industry held steady during April 2026 amidst ongoing global geopolitical and economic uncertainties and the resulting market volatility seen in the past few months. The industry reported assets under management of 589 billion Sri Lanka rupees, which is flat compared to March and down just 2.3% year-over-year. These assets are held across a diverse portfolio of 87 funds managed by 16 fund management companies. Commenting on the April industry results, Vice President of the Unit Trust Association of Sri Lanka and CEO of First Capital Asset Management Limited, Kavin Karunamurthy, stated, "Over the past few months, unit trusts have offered investors a more balanced approach to investing, enabling them to withstand the recent market volatilities. Additionally, flows into equity-related funds held steady during the month, including medium to longer-term investment options, confirming that investors continue to focus on capital preservation and long-term wealth creation." China's mutual fund assets climbed above 39 trillion yuan for the first time at the end of April, as a rebound in domestic equities lifted fund valuations following a volatile first quarter. Total net assets in China's mutual fund industry rose 4.9% from a month earlier to 39.36 trillion yuan, according to data from the Asset Management Association of China. Hong Kong's cash market has operated on a trade plus 2 business days, T+2, settlement cycle for over 3 decades. The system provides market stability, efficiency, and reliability. But that framework is about to change with Hong Kong exchanges and clearings plan to shorten the cycle to T+1 in the fourth quarter of 2027. Following a July 2025 discussion paper, HKEX published a consultation paper in April to finalize the plan, noting that industry respondents broadly supported the move. While industry respondents provided feedback and noted several considerations, the consensus was that a move to T+1 represents the right balance to advance the market, while retaining the core advantage of our current clearing and settlement framework, HKEX stated. Read the latest issue of the e-Zine available at FIMM's official website to stay updated about what's going on in the industry. Watch the latest episode of Coffee Talk to find out about what is going on in the industry. Exclusively on FIMM's official YouTube channel.
This has been the FIMM TV Weekly Recap. Be informed, stay updated, be sure to like, share and subscribe.